Hey lovelies! Take a look at what I've got for you today. I decided to challenge myself, and we're going to draw what this project will be about. It'll happen in 2 stages, and here are the rules. First, I'll draw a color that will be the main shade of our piece. Then I'll draw the technique we'll use to make the square. The options are double crochet, DC, 3DC, the classic granny square, openwork, and freeform. Alright, let's start. Drawing the color. And we've got navy blue. Now I'm switching the wheel and drawing the technique. And we've got open work. Okay, I've picked out my yarns and I'm moving on to designing the square. I chose navy blue yarn. Let's start designing the pattern. I imagine it as a flower surrounded by lace-like openwork, with a little white dot in the center. This pattern would also work beautifully in a single color, but I always like adding some kind of contrasting accent or a different shade. I think it makes the design much more interesting. So, I'm creating a flower in the middle surrounded by airy lace details. And in the corners I'll add small parts of the flower as well to keep the whole pattern cohesive. Now I've got 1/4 of the design ready, so it's time to start crocheting. I'm really happy with how this square turned out, and now it's your turn to join the fun in the CATT Crochet Challenge number 2. This time I'd like to invite Secret Yarnery, Crochet Knit Stitches, and Crochet with Niece. If you'd like to see more crocheters join future random challenges, leave your suggestions in the comments and tag creators you'd love to invite next time. I can't wait to see your versions and color combinations.